Alright guys, so in this tutorial what we're gonna learn is data communication and networking. Now let us consider this as computer 1 and this one as computer 2. Computer 1 and this one as computer 2, and there's a wire in between connected via a wire, and this whole situation can be called as a network. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn about a concept of server. Okay, so consider this as computer 1 and this is our server. Now this is you and this is Talha Studios. .com. Now this is your, you can call this as your server. And this is you over here. So what we're studying is we're studying the concept of server. Well, not exactly Corley server, we're also studying the concept of the World Wide Web and HTTP. So three things are involved in this situation. Now we'll not go deeply into this, but I just want to get you a little know-how of what we're trying to do right here. Now what you do is if you want a file from talhastudios.com that let's say Counter-Strike resides on this server and you want to download Counter-Strike, so what you're gonna do is you are going to send a request to talhastudios.com using the HTTP protocol. So you are gonna, let's say, HTTPS secure, my site is always secure, and talhastudios.com. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna request Talha Studios.com, hey Talha Studios, can I get that Counter-Strike 1.6 files from your server? I'll say, hey, yes, why not, sure. So I'll send you the file back to you. Well, actually I'm not doing that, the server is doing, you are requesting, and if I see the source is legal and you're satisfying my, you're not any sort of harmful person, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna allow that file and you can download CS and pretty much play Counter-Strike, okay, all day. Okay, so another concept I want to tell you about is how BitTorrent works. First of all, let me choose the BitTorrent color over here. How a BitTorrent application works. Now here, this is your pretty much how do you say you wanna download a file and you wanna download all Karachi nightlife videos that I've provided you on my YouTube channel, and Karachi nightlife videos. So what I'm gonna do is, this is your tracker. Hold on a second. Okay, so what is this can be called as your tracker, and this is your client 1, client 2, client 3. Okay, so what you're gonna do is I as a Talha is I can also be a client, let's call me C, just client. Okay, so I have all the Karachi nightlife videos on my HP laptop, and my HP laptop is connected to an external drive that is of 1 terabyte. Okay, and I have all the videos inside it. Let's say Asad wants to access all the files, and let's say Arish wants to access all the files, and let's say Maz also wants to access all the videos. So what they're gonna do is, first of all, they should know the tracker. they should know the tracker. They're gonna download the torrent, they're gonna go to the my website and download a magnet link from there, and that magnet link would be having the tracker, and that tracker says, hey, this file is residing on client, so it pretty much gives you the location of this file. Okay, so these three people can download files from here. Okay, so let's say now videos are downloaded in this, all the Karachi nightlife videos are in this PC, this PC, this PC, and let's say it was already in this PC. Okay, and let's say another client wants to access it. So what they're gonna do is, let's say we have client 4 over here. What the client 4 is gonna do is, the client 4 is gonna go to talastudios.com, search for that Karachi nightlife videos torrent, and download that magnet link. Inside, when he or she opens that magnet link, so what they're gonna do is they're gonna be receiving all the files, all the pieces of files from this location, this location, this location, this location. So actually there are 4 seeds, and simultaneously, we'll assume a situation that 4 seeds are there and only 1 leech is there. So we have 4 seeds and 1 leech. We are just taking this as an example. Let's say Asad, Arish and Maz were seeding. They've already downloaded the file, and I, as the owner, have also the seeds. I'm also a seeder, so there's 1 leecher, that is C4. So C4 is gonna get a lot of bandwidth. So if a C4 is using Zong 4G, so according to my experience, they're gonna receive 2.4 Mbps speed, and all these videos are gonna quickly download. So this is pretty much the concept of BitTorrent, how it works.